Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 35, which is search insertion position or sort insert position. In this problem, we are basically given an array and a target. So we need to either find the index of the target or we need to find the potential position where the target can be inserted. Classic binary search approach problem where we can easily solve binary search using binary search to find the ideal location where we can insert. And when it comes to find uh, the insert position, we just need to tweak a little bit the binary search. And if we do that, we are able to solve this problem in log of n. Otherwise, the normal solution would be you iterate through the entire array. If you find the target, you return the target location or you return the length, and that's how you find the insert position. So moving ahead, let me explain the binary solution approach where using log and we were able to solve this problem. So like if you remember, binary search is a solution in which we basically do it something like this. So if we do it like high equal to this one, and if we just remove this guy, and if you remove this one, comment it out. So this is what your ideal binary search would look like, where you take 0 as your starting position, high as your end of an array, and then you compare low with the high, you calculate the middle element. Then if you check if your middle element is equal to that particular target that you're looking forward or not. If it is not, then you start decreasing your so you basically start move left or right, you start decreasing the size of an array, size of your window, till the time you hit the target that you're looking for. But now, since we just need to also find the insert position, what we need to do is we'll basically tweak the binary search in a way where we'll basically check for low, we'll keep it the low, and high will still remain the same. So we'll start with we'll run the loop till low is not less than or equal to high. Okay, so let's take an example for now. Let's take this example where we want to insert 2 here. Okay, so let's say our low would be 0 and our high would be nothing but 4. Okay, sorry, 0 1 2 3. So our high would be 3. So we'll comment inside this while loop. Just making this a bit visible in the screen. So we'll first calculate the mid, which will be 0 plus 3 minus 0, which is 3, divide by 2, which is 1. So 3 plus 1, 1. So our mid will be nothing but numbers of mid will be nothing but 1. So let's keep a track of mid, which is equal to 1. So numbers of mid, which is 1, equal to the target. So our target is in this case, okay, let me also write the target is something which we are looking is 2. Okay. So if we are looking for the target 2, 3 equal to 2 is false. 3 greater than target, yes, 2. So what we do is we decrease the high from 3 to 2. Okay, and then we again go 1 less than equal to 2, true. Then we basically check, we'll calculate the mid again. So now our low is 0, sorry, so our low is 0 plus 2 minus 0 is 2, divide by 2, again it's 2 by 2 is 1. So the our low will be incremented from, sorry, our low will, so mid will still remain 1. Okay, now so number of mid here, so which is 1 again, 3. 3 equal to target is false. We again decrement the high from 2 to 1. Okay, uh, so initially it was 3, then we deducted it to 2, now we deducted it to 1. Okay, so now it will be like when we do the calculation of low, which will be still 0 plus 1 minus 0, which is 1. 1 divided by 2 will be nothing but 0. So the mid will be again equal to 1. So mid will still remain 1. So nums of 1, which is 3, equal to 2, which is false. So what we'll do is we'll again go and we'll decrement the low, sorry, the high from 1 to 0. Okay, so what happens here, the while loop becomes so it's still valid. So 0 plus 0, 0 less than equal to 0, we come inside the mid. So 0 plus so 0 0 by anything is 0. So the mid will become 0. Okay, so 1 equal to target is false. 1 greater than target is also false, and then we increment the low from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and then now, so 1 greater than 0, sorry, 1 less than 0, this while loop will get terminated and will return low, which is our insert position in this case, which will be 1. And this is a scenario where we want to find the location of insertion. The second would be where we need to find the target. So if we keep the same array, and now our target would be something like 5 for case. So we'll start with 0, we'll start the high from 3 again, and now we'll do the calculation for the mid, which will be low plus 0 plus 3 minus 0, which is 3. 3 by 2 is 1. So our mid will be nothing but 1. So number of mid is so 1. 3 is equal to 5. False. Is 3 greater than 5? False. So else will come to low plus plus. So we'll increment the low from 0 to 1. So now again we'll go ahead and calculate the mid, which will be 1 plus 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now our mid will be incremented from 1 to 2. So now, so 0, 1, 2, which is 5. So 5 equal to 5, true. So we'll return the mid, which is our index, which is 2. So that's how we saw a scenario where we were able to find the target, and also we were able to find the position of insert. So that's what the problem is we were trying to solve. And if we submit this, the solution will pass. And that's the solution that we were looking for. That's all I have for today. Thank you, everyone.